The number one thing that I look for in a pool manufacturer right off the bat, I think it's building a relationship with them.
Just knowing that you're going to get the backing if you have anything that you need. They're going to do the right thing. There's always a lot of things that can happen. I have complete confidence from top to bottom that they're going to take care of us. And ultimately that means we're going to take care of our customer.
The thing that I like most about Thursday Pools would be they seem to really care about putting a quality product out there.
I do like the fact that they're kind of smaller than other companies because I feel like we can get more one-on-one with them, and they're just a good company. They're good people. They're honest. They're real.
Thursday makes a quality pool, and it's a consistent quality. Pool is made for our customer, and I think that makes customers feel special that they know a pool's been made for them.
I think Thursday Pools and the people who are at Thursday Pools and who have started Thursday Pools, they're really what's driving the success of the business. Because of who they are as people, they have just made a great product and a great company.